Nakajialang kami banyak halor ki jing pentrai ya ki projek Surok baper hakani ka jela ubak prestun tensong usembut menteri rangba ka jela ubari kami ya katanat PWD roads haka khandai tarik unok pra araja arpusan ula Pyndep baka package 1 Jong ka projek Surok na Shillong sa Tamabil an Pyndep nok shwa ka laipuai tarik unok pra araja arpusan. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadian kejialang ubak prestun tensong ula ong. Baka jing pentrai ya ka projek kalong ka bayat bet yat ranti hakabaula penti kena ba an la ban Pyndep no ya ka package 1 hau ni ubenai katba ya ka package 2 4 pan labuk por ban Pyndep no Hapoh ubenai no pra jong snam arajar arpun riu. Nolor kata ula ong ru hakabia day bat ka package 3 jong kene ka project ka badai jong ka penursla bypass na kaliang ka NHIDCL kalamang tingkaban ay ka bailot kesan lani kan land compensation bat ka basa kadai satang ka jing penbit penbiang yaki jingdon kam na kaliang kibor badai kmi na penursla civil subdivision.
Ngalayo ban review yaki project ki baper jong ka road sector Hapoh ka jela Meghalaya jong barokawi hakabang yasdang nengkong yaka Surok Shillong dauki kabadon kum malong menta kidon sau packages ka package 1 package 2 package 4 and package 5 te hakabidei bat kene ka progress of work kabanga sultanat ban Pyndep kolomba ka yajbet ka yarti khamtam kumapilai ya ka package 1 ka target ka ba nakaliang joka NHIDCL rengkat pada nakaliang company kialong committed ban Pyndep Hapoh kalai pui trik jong liu bnai Hapoh kalai pui trik jong Desember te ngidang update Jakarta te kalong kaba sultanat ba lat kena Hapoh jong liu bnai kin Pyndep ya kena ka package 1 te ka package 2 ka package 4 ban ka package 5 katu ka target kalong hadu next year December 2026 dia keniru kalong smooth katrai ka yajbet ka jing trai ka progress of work nang ta ka khaddu ka bede ka Shillong dauki ka don sakane ka package 3 kata ka bagi ong ka penusla bypass dia ka paskotanat kalong ba nakaliang jom ka government of India lang ba ka NHIDCL kila ai sanction lu menta ya ka ba ya dei bat kalan compensation ya kanika portion ka bade ka package 3 jom kanika penusla bypass but menta kasa haka jing penbit penbiang nakaliang jong i DC revenue but SDO civil revenue hakte ya pusla bakin work out ya ke details baru koi kenang ba ultimately kilaman pelaj ya kalan compensation but rubat take possession ya kalan kenang ba ngin yo bat stang no ya Surok kata kadai ka benta ka benukong hak bedei bat ka Shillong dauki. So let me briefly explain.
Yunai bedei bat kanika pyong kanika ka bypass no po penusla ka kanika total compensation ka jaka ka poi ka dukat no ka poi
more or less ka poi kum around 95 crores.
Dan kena
pyong ru mene ha bedei bat kani pyong ya kanika fast phase ka bayat menta pyong bang Pyndep menta Desember te ka ai pada la kini lupa ka kam kala suki lupa ka ai pada ka kum katnat dulu di menta kan le lada kamla man Pyndep ka pol biang hatu kan penalty le ka kan no kor kom
naturally namar ba ya kanika contract agreement is not done by the state government kam dei bale mangi kanika long bet ka contract agreement signed between NHIDCL and the company. And then we are part of it. We are part of the share, the stakeholder. Teka ka ba ngingi krensai sa government of India, ka Minister of Road Transport, jaka NHIDCL kalong ba once you are committed means you have to comply to this. Te ya kata ka bang on bagin fail. I don't think namar ba recently ngarong lalit ban ka inspection ngai ya ka progress of work but menta nakaliang u executive director job NHIDCL u umthia dem su ban make sure ba kaniko fully is completed within this month.
So
Of today ended up to Anjali Junction, Anjali Pong. Okay, but ultimately when we put little more request to the government of India for extension of the flyover, and they have already agreed in principle. And now even the land issue and then the design of the flyover is being worked out, being prepared by the NHIDCL, which will be disposed of to Barik.
Hakaway pat kalyang ubak Preston tensong ula Pyndep bahalor ke Surok na yam ke banmi pat Shillong kandon ke jinglet jurep na kalyang ki officer ke PWD NHIDCL bat kumjuru na ke DC Revenue ban kmi benya halor ke alignment Jong ke Surok. Nolor ke tala ong ru baka sarkar kalabu por ban Pyndep no ia kini ke Surok hau benai leber arah jar arpon rio.
Te kaba sakaway pat kabangi akren mene kalong ka issue hakawede bat kanika KWD bat kenika road approaching to Shillong kabadai ka bengom ka Surok nang thin nampo umyam kaban mi Shillong. Again, I'm happy to tell you that today we have decided that PW State PWD, then NHIDCL, and also the DC Revenue will go for a joint inspection with the proposed alignment made by the NHIDCL. I think within few days from now, they are going to cite and finalize the alignment. And once that is done, then again DPR will be prepared by the NHIDCL. And the proposed widening of this road is for 12 meters. 12 meters, it is the standard of national highway plus with pavement. Pavement shoulder is also included. And once that is done, I'm very sure NHIDCL will ultimately float the tender for construction of the widening of the road from Umyam up to Shillong. Up to 12 meters. That is called ROW. Up to 12 meters. And this 12 meters more or less is within the ROW, existing ROW, because that time the land compensation also has been already paid. So we have directed the Deputy Commissioner to get all those land documents right from Umyam up to Shillong.
Exactly, the road will be extended.
Up to somewhere up to Maulai, what do you call it? Here only up to near Kongbanalari's showroom, up to that place. They have got main dam. Nakaliang jogi ke Peludi, ka construction work kali tangjai, but ngakwa ban pentip ba lakum nung ibu target. Ba kani ka bypass, kani ka new bridge. Kaba menta kadang ya cacai ngin Pyndep ban ngin petrekam nadu bakut jong nudu nai march hajar akan rio kata ka bang penting na bat kani kan long ka bypass ba kini ki commercial vehicles lani ki loaded trucks kila ban ya freely na ka to ka kanung don shu ka restriction hakawide bat ka hakakit ka ba joki hadin ba ngi pentrekam ya kan ka letia ka ba tumai. So now again we also discuss about the Western bypass. The Western bypass again, I'm happy to inform you that even the Western bypass is well progressed, and I am very sure this project also will be completed on time by next year, because the target for completion of this Western bypass is scheduled to be completed next year in 2026. Again, package 1, package 2, package 3. The progress of work is good. Of course, little stretch of package 3, we have little challenges where the landowners, the village counterclaim still exist, where one village claim that the land belongs to us, the other village also claim that the land belongs to us. So that is still there, but I'm very sure within a few weeks from now, the district collector will be able to resolve the issue. de kabaan ngila review lai tali ki package kadi kam ka yat state ka yat bekerati ban ngakermen scam kumbala kat kumangila botaket bahwa ajar apun riu kadi ka Shillong Western bypass ngila bat Pyndep kat kum ka jing amrut ke Jong. Next, widening of again the road from Dainadubi to Darogiri, part of NH 217, and this one also in fact the concerned deputy commissioners, both North Kyrwoh Hills and also South Kyrwoh Hills, they are working out the detail of the compensation, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to submit this component to the government of India for necessary sanction, and the detail compensation scheme is being worked out by both the district collectors, and once that is done, they will submit again to the ministry and then to the NHIDCL for necessary sanction. And again, the package 2 of Dainadubi to Darogiri, again that also the stage is still in the land issue, and I'm sure very soon this again will be resolved and the compensation will go on. Ni ya keren ru ya kabedei bat kenika Tura bypass kabadon kuma almost 29 kilometers ya kaniru ngila po ya ka final stage Jong kanika land issue namar ba komo opi ka jingbut kam nakaliang Jong ki deputy commissioner ki district collector kalau kumnoban yo ya ka land bat kum ju ru iya ki badai hok ban yo ya kanika land compensation de komal ulong menta ngila po ya ka stage ka bangi ong kata ka 3G ka bakin Pyndep nakaliang Jong deputy commissioner but hadir Jong kata ngin sapha support ka Ministry of Road Transport for approval and for necessary sanction.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.